What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Seth, your chartist. Today is Feb 18, 2024, Sunday, local time 6:56 p.m. I will be analyzing SPY for this coming week. So, if you do like the analysis, just make sure you follow me here on TradingView. The name is The Chartist, and you can also follow me on YouTube, X, Instagram, and TikTok. This is my X account where I'm actively posting trades, so you can follow me here as well. And don't forget to press the bell icon on YouTube for the latest updates. Let's start the analysis really quick. Trend because SPY is all-time high, so there is no way you can define a resistance at the top. But let's understand. I'm gonna, start analyzing price action, and then we'll go into momentum and we'll try to understand what can happen. Okay, so trend is up on all time frames from yearly till daily. I usually go yearly. All these time frames is what I analyze from here till here. So it's all up, as we all know, it's all time high. Now, when the trend is up, you don't have to short. Even if price is retracing, it doesn't mean that trend is changing, because for a trend to change, a single candle won't define the change of the trend. So by trend, you need to understand that you have to go with the trend. You have to trade with the trend. So the trend is up. You shouldn't short the market. That's my understanding of the market. Uh, Now, let me turn on the drawings. Don't forget to follow me if you do like the analysis. Let's put this aside. Now, this is a trend line, which is very much valid, and this is momentum based trend line, and look how price is respecting it. So this is where the news came in, and I said that I'm not sure how high it can go, but after that price action started doing its thing. So I was like, okay, it can go up to 512, but before this I said that it's going to go to 512. It should go to 512. Now, as long as this trend line is being respected, we can see the upside. Okay, and there's a new trend line which I have drawn here, this green one. This is again a good one, and it should be respected. But if it breaks, yeah, definitely we can retrace. But for now, understand that I see no signs of bearishness or any selling signs. Understand this, that fresh selling can come anytime. But for that to happen, we need to understand price action, which I've already defined, which I've already clarified in a better way, in the best way I can. That I see no like selling for now. If we do have a red candle, then also trend won't change. For SPY to move $5 to $7 here and there, it's very normal. It's gonna go $5 down one day. Look here, look at the dollar change here. -8 it shows. Look here. So $8 because of the news, and then from 482 it never stopped, and there was a gap up here. So what do you? This is a gap, by the way. This is a gap up. So people, all all you're looking for, when you're just going off track, just to explain something, these are all gaps. So whenever this is all gap, this is a filled gap. This is a gap. This was a valid gap right here. So whenever you're watching for gaps, you don't have to look only for big gaps. You have small, small gaps in between the candle. Those are inside gaps. So imagine this. Who did this? Because price was 482. I know you can recall this. Go on and recall this news. So it gapped up. So who did this? You and I cannot do it, right? Definitely some positions were created here. Okay, let's go back onto our topic. This trend line needs to be respected. If it breaks, like by break I mean if we do get a close under this, okay, then it's a problem. Then we can definitely come here. Okay, but again, trend won't change even till here. So understand, from 500 till 484 trend won't change, because trend has a tendency that from up to down, it needs to go first from up to sideways and then down. So it takes time for market to transition. I hope traders can understand and relate to that. Now, let's check weekly really quick. Uh, I see no demands here. This is not a good demand zone. This looks way better than this one. So if there is a doubt, stay out and don't mark anything. So this is a possible demand zone. Now there's one more in construction. Look at this. So this supply was beaten by this demand, and the origin of this whole rally is right here at 428. So if you ever get a chance here, don't be scared. Just buy with full force. Now, I'm not marking this demand zone because this candle is still live and we have 10 days, still left. Everything is good. Everything is looking good. Now, I'm going to go on closing prices and then we'll understand what's happening here. So, I'm going to show you something. This is RSI. This is momentum at its very best. There's a lot of lines being drawn here. Don't get confused, but understand. Look at how this. Look at this line. How beautifully it's being respected. Okay, I didn't just mark it for showing it to you. It was being respected, and in QQQ, I'm telling you, it was broken as well. But SPY is maintaining this. It can break also. Logic is not there. The thing is that every time this red line is broken, okay, SPY takes support here, momentum takes support here, so it's taking support here as well. Now what I feel is, let me hide this, don't get, if I'll go here and show you here, there are a lot of trades here as well, okay, but you won't understand it. Forget this, don't get confused here. These are all trades which were marked intraday, like swing 10 minutes trade also. Okay, I'm gonna hide this and we'll go on daily and we'll understand. My logic is that, is it losing momentum? Is price losing momentum? By momentum, I mean that there was a divergence here which was broken by price and RSI. There's one more divergence which has happened yesterday, like on Friday, and this is the divergence that has happened. Look here, there's a divergence here, and there's a divergence here. But the thing is that this divergence can also be broken, and logically, this should be broken. Understand, there is no selling signal, no selling sign here because I don't see price losing momentum at all. Instead, it's breaking all the divergences whenever it's going on the upside. There's a divergence here. Look here and look at the top here. This is a divergence, and this divergence was broken by price. Now, price is actually, look here. Now, price is visiting, retesting this divergence. This guy right here, this whole divergence, price is look here. This is being retested by price, and price did a momentum based thing here. So now, uh, price can come here 494 definitely. If it comes here, you need to understand that yeah, there is momentum here and you can buy and go long, but again the stop loss would be under that trend line. Let me turn on the drawings. If you buy here around 494, then your stop loss would be right here, 492. So $2 I'm talking about closing here, but that doesn't mean it's going to come here tomorrow or day after tomorrow whenever the market opens. But we definitely have momentum here because prices can come here and make a wick and shoot up. Uh, but understand this, this should be broken. If everything is good, this should be broken on the upside. Okay, because I've seen this picture multiple times. But again, if it doesn't, then we have a stop loss level as well. But for now, understand that there is no selling signal, no selling sign, no signs of price losing momentum. And bear divergence, again, I'm telling you, it doesn't mean that price is losing momentum. Let's go on QQQ and really quickly check what's happening. Same thing is happening here. So QQQ can come to 428 and then boom, it can go up. Okay, that can happen very, very easily, and there's a lot of momentum. Like I said, with SPY, it's at 494, but the same kind of momentum I'm going to show you first. The price is momentum here around 428. Then we have momentum here at 416. Okay, I have explained this. I think 2 weeks ago. Go and check that video out. So that same kind of momentum at 416 is right here at 483, but it doesn't mean it's going to come there. Okay, and again, if it comes there, it comes there. We'll understand that later. But for now, price is not losing any momentum. No selling signals, no selling pressure at all. Even on smaller time frames, when I'm going at 1 hour, I see all bullish signals. Okay, this trend line is also, this is, I think this is a 1 hour trend line which I'm going to extend now, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, see, this was breached intraday and then boom up. Breaching is not a good thing, but it breached and then it started moving up. It can come and take as a support here and then go up. But again, intraday is very much volatile. That's why I don't discuss intraday a lot. But again, let's see what happens. But there's no point shorting the market because market is bullish. And if it catches your stop, because I know a lot of people are doing options, then accept it and move out. But for now, no point of shorting the market. Okay. Hope you understood what I'm trying to tell you guys. So just understand and trade with the market. Don't trade against the market. And don't forget to follow me here on and then on YouTube, X, Instagram, and TikTok. This is my X account where I will be posting trades actively. BTC is bullish. Yes, it is bullish. All right. So take care. And that's pretty much it. Have a wonderful trading week ahead. Bye bye.